Okay, today I'm here to run you through how to take down the A&K STW. Basically, A&K STW is the same as system of PTW system. Basically, two of them is no different. So first of all, if I want to take down the cylinder, so what you got to do is there's a front body pin, there's a rear body pin. So what you got to do, you got to take down the rear body pin. So you need a puncher, get a mallet, just like gently, just tap it in control. Tap it. Once you tap it out, you should see the other pin is coming here. Is like exit it out. Just pull a little bit. Once you hit the clicks, next what you got to do is hold the upper receiver, the front handguard. Next is like tap the back of the butt stop. So 1, 2, 3. You tap. Now it's open. That's it. Thank you.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
What about the front?
What the front?
The front of the...
If you want the front, the pin, all you need to do just use the pin, use the punch holder, and then all you do is just gently tap one. That's all they like exit a little bit of time to exit it out. Then do the same thing. Pull it from the other end. Then there you go.
Okay, can you kindly put it back together, please?
Yeah. Put it back together first. You got to put the front pin. Just in align it. I'll show you from this end. In align it.
Wow.
Click it in.
Yep.
Click it in. And then push it back. And then there you go. So complete.
Okay, explain to me why you have to do it so gently.
Well, it's number one. These are not like a real gun, like aluminum. So that's why it is all airsoft they use a pot metal, including the Systema. Systema they are also using a pot metal alloy. So when you use a gentle, basically it's like you also keep integrity of alloy. So once you keep the integrity of alloy, then the whole gun will be always in a good shape.
All right, thank you very much.